Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So on the DOT chart, we've seen another low. The price is still, however, in the larger support region, and we have seen quite a substantial buy reaction from this area just above the key 78.6 retracement. Remember, this is really the, let's call it the main support level down here, the 460 level. We talked about it many times. Price is still holding above it, which is, let's say, positive. Any break below 460, if sustained, will definitely put into question an overall bullish thesis here on the chart. But again, you know, we've been following this to the downside now for a while, and so far there hasn't been any reliable 5-wave move up that we could really follow. And you know, bullish hopes, okay, have so far not really been able to let's say to be manifested by an actual pattern on the chart. So at the moment, what are we doing? We're tracking an overall bullish scenario, yes. At the same time, I've been highlighting to you to really confirm that a reversal is happening to the upside. We need to be patient and we need to see a 5-wave move up. This is the support region between 650 and 460 where we're watching for such a reversal. However, I am at the same time, I'm observing the micro price action for such patterns. And so far, there hasn't been a reliable pattern yet. Here, we've been watching a possible 5-wave move, but I told you it has a lot of problems. I don't trust it. And here you can also see it made another low, and why it is so important to watch for these 5-wave patterns to the upside. I feel it's it shows the value of that process that we go through, because you know, if that pattern doesn't show, there isn't a clear bottoming signal. So it ended as corrective rally. And now we have the next chance. Obviously, any low could now be the last one, with, however, 460 being the pivot between a more bullish, an overall bullish assumption on the chart and a bearish one. Because below 460, there's really only the invalidation point at 355, but 460 acts as a warning level. So that's what I'm tracking. As I said, at the same time, I'm tracking here micro price action, which is still bearish. I think what we could do in addition, and you know, we've got this trend line up here, which has, you could say, 3 touch points, maybe even 4, depending on how you draw it. So I think this is quite relevant as a potential upside breakout signal, but it looks a bit like a descending wedge, doesn't it? So it is something to observe. It is something to watch, and price action to the downside doesn't look impulsive. It looks corrective. So I still maintain a bullish perspective, but at the same time, this doesn't mean it has to go up. I'm just watching for the first reversal signals. The low that formed, of course, it could be the last one, but it's only a 3-wave move up for me so far. Again, I need minimally a break above resistance and a 5-wave move up. So resistance has now been defined in the area between $5.70 and $6.22. Any break above $6.22 would likely lead to a test of this level, the X wave high at 660. And if we get a break above 660, together with a break of the trend line, of course, yeah, I mean, that could be something interesting. And I think then we could start to get excited. For now, DOT has been holding below this trend line now for a while and is making lower lows, lower highs. There is no reversal signal. In fact, the price is just now reacted to the golden ratio level. But if we see a break above resistance, that would cause me to watch it closely, and then a break above the trend line would be, as I said, the first, I think, good signal that we've actually bottomed. So we have to remain patient. Situation hasn't really changed. Short-term price action is still bearish, but if we get the larger time frame aligned with the shorter time frame, that basically the shorter time frame switches bullish as well, that could be an opportunity. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.